my name's Aileen. I'm here in Budapest to be a moderator for the No Hate Speech movement. I was here last week as well to train to be a blogger as well. So basically my motivation in doing this campaign is to learn more about human rights in the online sphere and how to help young people particularly cope with online harassment and bullying. I should mention that I am from Ireland and I'm just one of the participants here from Ireland. We have another guy, and everyone here is from various countries around Europe and beyond.
Hi, I'm Satu from Finland, and I'm one of the trainers on DC bloggers and DC moderators this week. And I actually coordinate the Finnish national campaign on No Hate Speech movement.